Welcome to understand live data. What is live data? Live data is an observable data holder class. It is lifecycle aware, that is, it respects the lifecycle of app components such as activities, fragments, or services. View models are used to communicate the data to the view. To create instance of live data, we use view model. Advantages of live data. Live data ensures your UI matches your data state. Ensures no memory leaks and ensures no crashes due to stopped activities. Now checks how live data works. Suppose you have a UI and live data works as a middleware and you have components. When components change the when components notifies the change to live data, then live data similarly notifies the state of change to the observable objects. Let us see an example. First, we need to add the live data dependencies in our application. Now, we need to create a class that extends viewModel class. Now declare a countdown timer variable. Now we are going to declare a function start timer object countdown timer. And countdown intervals is suppose 1000 millisecond and millis future is 10,000. Now we need to implement the members on finish and on tick. Now we are going to initialize an object of mutable live data seconds as mutable live data is reusable. And we are going to create an object of live data and we are going to create a function which returns the live data of seconds. That is immutable. Val timelet is milli until finish slash 1000, and now get the value of second from time left to end. Now we need to start the timer. Now we need to declare a function to stop our timer. Now coming back to main activity. Private, letting it there. Of main view model. Now declare it takes view inside main activity.xml. Counter text. Now declare main view model equals to providers of this dot get main view model class Java. Now start the timer from main thread, and when the timer decreases, the main view models will notify the main activity using this main view model dot second dot observe dot observer counter text dot set text. Counter value is int. Now let's run this. Counter value decreasing from view model, and it reflects in your UI, that is main activity. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video with a new tutorial. Bye for now.